So I want to do a very, very simple thing. If you feel okay about it, just to kind of do a slight demonstration for the group, and maybe the group can be involved in it. But so you said something when you came in, kind of like what I'm remembering hearing is something like I'm from Ireland, but I came here to find myself something. I don't know what it was, and I'm hearing you say, I got lost. I did all these good things, but somehow all the situations made me not see them. I lost myself. So I want to do a very simple thing. And so, first of all, I want to ask you, would you like some support? Like, would you like any people to support you?
I'm okay here.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm okay. I trust I'm
okay.
safe with you.
Okay, good. Can we have the key?
I have the support of the room, by the way.
How do you know that?
Because I just feel it. We were doing
Good.
something, so I know I'm safe with you, and I know I'm safe with the people here.
Cool. I think that's true. So anybody who wants to be over here and witness this man, get up. Get up. Oh, you don't have to.
I didn't hear what you said.
If you want to witness this man, if you want to be on the receiving end of something he's going to do, come stand here. You don't have to, just if you want to. So come here. This way. Okay. So I want to say something to you guys. Come over here. You know, a lot of times people have associations with hitting or moving our energy this way with violence. It's not. So the reason that we do this, I mean, there's lots of reasons. Maybe we would bring out rage, maybe we'd bring out pleasure, we'd bring out, with him, I think we're going to bring out something very positive. And so what we're doing by doing this is we're putting pressure on the energy in the body and the words to support a feeling in being present all the way. So let's just see what happens. I don't know what's going to happen. But so I want you to, you're going to try hitting like this. Can I show you? Just like straight over your head. Use all your strength. Keep your knees bent. And tell those people, well, I'll tell you what to say when you start hitting. You ready? And look at them. Yeah, I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Can you say it?
I'm here.
Yeah.
I'm here.
I'm here.
I'm here.
I'm here.
I'm here.
I'm here. Yeah.
I'm here.
Here.
I'm
here.
here.
I'm here.
Yeah.
I'm here.
Yeah.
I'm here.
Hey, you guys, what's happening over there? Is he reaching you?
Yeah.
He's here.
Like jump up and down or something. Let him know you hear him. Oh, can you imagine? I mean, so imagine this. Here's this man, right? You feel his energy. You feel his power. Can you imagine being someone who has all this energy and power and becomes invisible? That hurts.
It's lonely
You're lonely.
and isolated.
Yeah.
And all you want to do is connect.
Oh. So you've been lonely and isolated, and all you want to do is connect.
Yeah.
So first of all, I notice when you say that. Can I ask you guys, when he says that, I've been lonely and isolated, and all I wanted to do is connect. Just a few people that are impacted by that say, oh. Oh, 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 okay. All right, go ahead. Great, yes, awesome. Okay. I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you. I forgot your name.
Dermot.
Dermot.
Yeah.
Dermot. So, like, first of all, I want you to notice that I want you to notice what happened when you said, I'm lonely and isolated and I want to connect. I want you to notice the power you have. I want you to notice what you brought to you. And just for a second, take that in. How's that feel?
Alive.
Alive.
Real.
Real.
Me.
You.
It's relief.
Relieving.
Yeah.
You looked like you could almost cry.
Well, I had a little tear, so. Yeah, so thank you.
I had a little tear. So, oh. Do we have some good music? But not quite yet. So don't go anywhere yet. So I want to say something about most of us have been taught that our feelings and showing our feelings and being truthful and being vulnerable, and a lot of times men have really been taught this, is weak. And I want to say you are a powerful man, and I love when you show your power in this way. I mean, I love the way you hit. I love the way you said, I'm here. And I love the way you said, I'm lonely and I want connection. That's powerful. So I really want to thank you.
Thank you.
Can we? Yeah.